Salat al-Fajr finishes, you sit down. Don't rush. Sit a little bit. The world is coming. You can go to work after this. Sit and make some dhikr. The minimum of subhanallah, alhamdulillah, wallahu akbar, the minimum is to say it 10 times. At least sit down and say it 10 times before you move, at least. Then after this, if you have this time, sit and engage in adhkar al-salat wa adhkar al-sabah, the supplication of the morning. And understand that reading adhkar after al-salat and reciting the morning dhikr is much better than reciting the Quran during this time. Why? Because it's prescribed for that time. Al-Quran generally is the best dhikr on earth. But when there are times in which other adhkar are prescribed, then they become better. So you make the adhkar after salat, and then you begin with adhkar al-sabah. After you finished all this,